Hi boys and girls. Now that you've finished watching that video from Mystery Science Doug, let's work on our Ashfall fossil beds evidence chart and worksheet. So for us it's not a worksheet, it's a jam. You're going to need to attach your Ashfall fossil bed jam to this assignment. If you don't remember how to do that, you can come to office hours and I will help you out. By searching Ashfall, that compound word, in the Google Drive, you should be able to find it. Okay, so here is a picture of the fossil layers in the hillside where the rhinos were discovered. This is a cutaway version that shows how old the soil in the different layers were, and also what kind of rocks they were. So this top layer was loose sand and gravel from 2.5 million years ago, 2.5. Below that was some sandstone from 11 million years ago. Then there was the volcanic ash with the rhinos in it. Underneath that was a layer of fine sand and clay from 12 million years ago. And underneath that was a layer of sand from 14 million years ago. Now, you're going to want to pause the video so you can look more closely at this. Think about what you notice using this diagram. What kind of stuff can this tell you or help you make inferences about? Use the clues here to figure out some things that we might know. You can pause the video if you need more time. All right, let's keep going. Now, we saw that the fossils were found underneath a layer of sand and rounded rocks. See, here's the sand and gravel, and sandstone is a type of stone that's made out of sand. So how could the sand and the rounded rocks have gotten there? Where could they have come from? You might be making connections to the mystery we did last week. Let's use what we learned from that. Now, this map of the volcano types and the Ashfall fossil beds, Doug has added a lot more details to it. You don't have to add all these details to your map, but if you have extra time, it'll make a cool final project. So, Doug colored in the mountain ranges brown, and he still has the volcanoes with the thin lava over here and the volcanoes with the thick lava, those explosive volcanoes right here. Here's the rhino fossils, and the blue lines are different rivers. Before you wrap up today, you're going to add any new pieces of information that you have learned that could help you answer one of our 3 big questions. We won't get information and clues from every single mystery for every question every time, but by looking at the type of rocks, looking at how old they are, and looking at this map of mountains and rivers, you can probably start to answer some of our questions. Remember, the 3 questions are: how did the prehistoric rhinos and other animals die? After the last mystery, you've probably got a pretty good idea of that one already. Question 2 was, why did it take 11 million years to find the fossils of the animals? Today's mystery might have given you something for that box. And finally, how were the fossils eventually found? It's possible you got some information from that one, but I think today's mystery mostly helps us with question 2. Why did it take 11 million years to find the fossils of the animals? That's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next video.